Hi YouTube, today we will be making this little rainbow flower. It's kind of like the big petal flower, except there's one extra step. You will need 6 green bands and 4 of whatever color you want your petal to be. I'm using black. And let's get started. You're going to start with having your arrows facing away from you. It's kind of hard to see because I have different arrows. Then you're going to take one green band, see the difference here. There. Now you're going to take 4 green bands, facing from here to here. Then you have to set that aside. Take your 4 black bands, put them on your hook, and this is part is so different from the big petal flower. You're going to wrap it around twice, so if you count there will be 8 little black bands. Then you're going to take this green band, that green band, place it around your hook, and place these bands onto there. And so it should look like this. Then you're going to place it around here as a cap band. And there's there, so it looks like 2 right there, stretched there. So this is what it should look like before it starts cooking. And you're going to flip it around so the arrow is facing toward you. Then stick your hook into here where the 4 bands are. Take these 4 bands, hook them to there. Then you're going to take that. Then you're going to take this band off, put them both on your hook, and push them further so the rest of it doesn't pop off. And pull off the flower. Then you're going to take this, you're going to tie a knot. You're going to take this band, and you're going to pull it through. So it's tight, and that's how you make the flower. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.